Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you eat quinoa every day? This humble grain, often mistaken for a cereal, has been quietly climbing the superfood charts, and for good reason. Quinoa, pronounced quinoa, is a nutrient powerhouse that's been making waves in the health and wellness world. Originating from the Andean region of South America, this ancient grain has been a staple food for thousands of years. Its recent surge in popularity can be attributed to its impressive nutritional profile. Packed with high-quality protein, it's one of the few plant foods that contain all 9 essential amino acids. But that's not all. Quinoa is also rich in dietary fiber, keeping your digestive system happy. It boasts a wealth of vitamins and minerals such as iron, magnesium, and B vitamins, which are essential for overall health. So let's dive into what happens to your body when you make quinoa a daily part of your diet. First off, your digestive system will thank you. Now let's get into why. Quinoa is packed with dietary fiber, a crucial component for a healthy gut. This high fiber content aids in digestion by adding bulk to your diet, making you feel fuller for longer and preventing overeating. It's like a broom for your digestive tract, helping to keep things moving and prevent constipation. But the benefits don't stop there. This feeling of fullness also plays a significant role in weight management. When you feel satisfied after a meal, you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks or overindulge. Over time, this can lead to a reduction in calorie intake, which is essential for maintaining a healthy weight. Moreover, the fiber in quinoa can help control blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes that can lead to cravings and overeating. In essence, regular quinoa intake can help maintain a healthy weight and keep your digestive system running smoothly. Moving on, your brain and heart also reap the benefits of daily quinoa consumption. Iron and B vitamins found abundantly in quinoa play a significant role in brain function. Iron helps produce hemoglobin, which carries oxygen to the brain, ensuring it functions optimally. On the other hand, B vitamins are known as the brain's fuel, promoting better memory, focus, and overall cognitive performance. Now let's not forget about your heart. The magnesium and potassium present in quinoa are essential for heart health. Magnesium relaxes blood vessels, reducing the risk of hypertension and heart attacks. Meanwhile, potassium acts as an electrolyte, helping to maintain the heart's electrical activity, preventing irregular heart rhythms. So it's clear that this tiny grain packs a big punch when it comes to your health. It's not just about a happy tummy. Consuming quinoa daily also means a sharper brain and a stronger heart. So not only does quinoa keep your tummy happy, but it also keeps your brain sharp and your heart strong. Lastly, your energy levels and overall health can see a significant boost with daily quinoa consumption. The magic lies in quinoa's rich protein content and complex carbohydrates. These nutrients are absorbed slowly by your body, providing a steady flow of energy throughout the day. You won't experience the dramatic highs and lows often associated with simple sugars. Instead, you'll enjoy sustained vitality, helping you to stay active, focused, and productive. Beyond energy, quinoa packs a punch in overall health benefits. Its high fiber content, essential minerals, and antioxidants contribute to a robust health profile. Regular quinoa consumption can potentially reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. This super grain is not just about maintaining your waistline or boosting brain power, it's about enhancing your overall well-being. In conclusion, eating quinoa every day can supercharge your energy levels and contribute to a healthier, more vibrant you.